Hello and welcome to Kim's Crochet and Design. I would like to show you how I make a magic circle. Magic loop, magic ring, I call it a magic circle. Once you know how to do these, you won't ever forget and they'll seem so simple. I know a lot of people struggle with these for some reason, but this is how I do it. I lay my string across my hand like that. I make two fingers go like that. I just put those over top the little end there. I take that back and I hold that with my thumb, just like that. Wrap it around, and when you bring it back around, make an X. Hold it again over the top, and then I hold that with my other fingers, just like that. You got across, wrap it around, make an X. Your X, hold it, hold it. That's all you do. Take your hook and go under the first loop, grab the second, pull it under. That's all I did there, was pull that loop under. Then twist it around your hook. Just take your hook and twist it. Just one time, not more than once. Just once like that. Grab that again and pull it through, making a chain. Now I don't count that chain as a stitch, so if I'm making a double crochet and I need 3 chains, I make 3 more chains. I also untangle my tail out of the loop. Some people don't, but then I find it hard to close the loop. So if I was making a double crochet, I chain 3. Now when I crochet, so if I'm making, say, 4 double crochets, you crochet over the loop, well, in the loop and over that tail. You have to crochet over that tail in order to be able to close your loop. So you go over the tail, in the ring, and over the tail. And when you have the number of 4 is kind of ridiculous, but when you have the number of stitches in your ring that you need, you just grab that tail and pull it closed. And that's why I like a magic ring. You can see that's completely closed, just like this one is closed up. You have no hole in the middle. Now maybe certain patterns you want a little hole there, so you don't want to do your circle, you want to do a chain to start. But I, for the most part, almost always use a magic circle. Now it has a tendency to get knotted when you undo these little buggers. There. I don't know why. There. So I will show you one more time. Yarn over your hand, point with 2 fingers. Hold that. Around, X. Hold that. Over the top and grab that. Under the first one, under, and just pull it straight out like that, and then twist it. Grab that second yarn again and pull it through just like you would a chain. And again, I undo my tail because it makes it really difficult if you don't undo that tail to close your loop. That's why I do it. I don't know if you're supposed to or not, but I've never had a problem by doing that. And that's it.